this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace a motor on one of our Mcombo power lift chairs. I've disconnected the chair, so there's no wires, there's no power running to the chair. You're going to go ahead and flip it to its front side, and this is what we'll be working with. In the motor, you see right here two pins with a cotter, one pin with a cotter pin, and another one down here, and a few cables connected. So after you flip the chair on its front, you're going to be working with something like this. And you can't really see the parts that I'm working with, but I have a spare motor here to give you an idea of what to look for. There's going to be a pin with a cotter pin on each end of the motor. You want to look for these pins, and you actually want to remove them from the frame, which I'll be doing so right now. So I removed the pins and their cotter pins, and there's one cable that's attached. You want to go ahead and unclip that. And it has two cables that you need to disconnect, and you need to unclip both of them. Connect both of those cables, the motor should be free now. Now that we have our new motor, you want to line it up with its brackets, take out the pins, and put them where they're supposed to be. Now, if the motor doesn't reach the other end of the bracket, you're going to have to wire the motor real quick and extend so that it reaches the other frame. So because the end of the motor doesn't reach the frame where it's supposed to connect, I'm actually going to temporarily connect the motor. I'm going to press the up button until it extends all the way. And once it reaches its point, I'm going to slide the pin and the cotter pin through. And then you want to make sure that the cables aren't entangled or in the way of any of the moving parts. And your chair should start working after that now. Once you've mounted the two pins and the cotter pins for the motor back and the two cables that correspond to the motor, your chair should work and function properly, like this. There's no more clicking or ticking noise, and that's how you know the chair is working. And you're ready to enjoy your chair.